Hello all, welcome to my channel Journey with Some. Today I'm going to briefly talk about how we can calculate a summary statistics in a data frame using Pandas package. Before I go more of the deep of the summary statistics, I would like to give a glimpse of Pandas package here. We will use the Pandas package to calculate the summary statistics which have a vast libraries where it can calculate the statistics in one shot. So here it's a powerful package we can use in your statistics in your daily life. So before going into import the data frame, let's import the pandas package. Execute this one. The pandas package has been imported. So let's go to the file explorer, and I would like to calculate the summary statistics from this particular df underscore xls parquet file. So let's copy this path, and we will write a data frame called df, and we are importing the pandas package, and as it's a parquet file, we will read the parquet file, and let's paste this and update this slash to forward slash now. So we will use this engine option to read your parquet file using the pyarrow package. So the data frame has been imported now. You can see the ID column. This is a student's data which is categorized per gender wise, and what kind of age group they are, and from which country they are, and how much they have been scored in their classes. So now we will calculate the statistics for each column, and accordingly I will tell you how we can calculate with the country wise based on the score, and how we can calculate on each gender wise. So now we will write a data with summary statistics, and we are using the data frame, and we are using the describe method here. So this describe method is a vast good function which can empower to calculate all the summary statistics here. When you execute this one, you can see the data underscore sum has been calculated without defining what kind of summary statistics we need in our work. The count has been calculated, the mean has been calculated, and it also has given the standard deviation here, the minimum value of each column, and 25th percentile, 50th percentile. 50th percentile is nothing but your median, and 75th percentile and the maximum value here. So for each column this has been defined now. Now we can calculate the descriptive statistics on based on score column. So let's see now what we can do, and we are giving a score data frame is equal to df, and we will make it like a score, and we will execute. It's throwing an error, so let's see how the variable has been defined. Here python is a case sensitive, so whatever the variable name is been defined, we have to define accordingly. So s has been capital, now we have to change accordingly. Now when you execute it, the error has been removed, and the score underscore sum has been created here. So it is giving a count of 18. Let's go back here. Why, how many rows it have? So in the df you can see it has been having a 23 rows here, but why it has been given the count of 18? When we go to the score here, we have a missing values, so we'll exclude the missing values here. So we have a total of 23 rows here. So let's see how many missing values are counted. We have a missing value here, 1 2 3 4 5. So 23 minus 5 are 18. So it has been given the right number, and the mean has been calculated, and also the standard deviation, and it also given the minimum value. So let's see what is the minimum value here. So the minimum value we can see here as a 20, and if you can see here also, the right left hand side of the screen, you can see how many rows are there and how many missing values are there. It all has been given, so we can recheck accordingly with the what we have right now. Okay, and now if you can see the 50th, it's the middle of the center of the value, and the 75th percentile and the maximum value. So the maximum, the number of score has been calculated here is 100, and that student is 103. So this is, in this way we can calculate the descriptive statistics based on each column. Now, can we calculate the summary statistics based on gender, how much they have been scored? So now we can use another data frame called group, and we are using the data frame with the group by function. And now we don't have a category, but we have a gender. So let's see, recheck what kind of gender column we have. We have a gender, and now we want to calculate according with the score wise. So when you execute this, you can see the GRP data frame has been created. You can see how many female has been scored. So we have a female of 8, and it has been scored accordingly with the in during their studies. So now even in the mail, so if you can also recheck the another data frame here, the score underscore sum. So as I told, we have a 18, and if you see in the group by also, if you count male plus female are 18, so accordingly it has been calculated the score column, the descriptive statistics based on your grouping with the gender. So you can see the mean value here and the standard deviation and what is the minimum value and 75th percent value and the maximum. So in this way you can calculate your descriptive statistics based on your categorical variables.